excuse me for sound because I'm not using a microphone. You need to invest into same day bank DVD and from approach to sex with 5 different girls. A guy from Scotland, he wrote an email, do you accept the bank transfer payments? You know, and we wrote our bank account, and later on he bought same day bank DVD and from approach sex with 5 different girls over PayPal on our website. He also, before that, he also sent us his birth certificate. We asked passport or driving licenses. He sent us birth certificate and driving licenses. It is enough. We approved him, and he bought over PayPal same day bank DVD, and now he will learn our systems, how to take girls to your apartment, how to, like, this is very manipulating system. Girls come to your apartment. You don't need to go and pick them up. And from approach to sex, he also want to learn day game, night game skills, and he wants to lay here, sleep with here on the same day. So that's why he investing into that product, and he wants to see how I'm doing with 5 different girls. If he will learn my body language, my behavior, how I talk to them, he gonna get same or even better results. You can get the same. You can do the same. If I get those results which you see on products and you read description, you can get as well. Don't waste your time, because time passes quickly. Money you will earn. Money is not an issue. Money at some point of life you will earn money. It's not a big deal. If you have money and you're not investing that money, it is useless. Money is useless until it is used. So use your money. See you.